everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me. We're going to be doing a ton of cleaning in every room throughout the whole house, so I hope that you guys enjoy. This video is almost 18 minutes long, so feel free to clean right along with me. Hopefully this video will give you motivation and inspiration to clean your house, and let me know down below if you did clean along with me. Let me know what all you got cleaned during these 18 minutes, and if you want to keep on cleaning, I will have my cleaning playlist at the end of this video. So before I got started with all of this cleaning, I had to make my cup of coffee because I always have to have my coffee before I start cleaning in the morning. And I love my milk frother that my mom got me. She actually bought this off of Amazon, and I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront, so I will have the link for my Amazon storefront down below if you want to head over there and get that. So I made my coffee, put my creamer in it, got that frothed milk on top, and that's how I love my coffee. It's so good. Started drinking that, started to get my energy for the day, and then I got started with my cleaning here in our master bedroom. Just picked up some clothes, made the bed. I went ahead and got my first load of laundry started because I had a ton of laundry to catch up on, and then after that I got started on cleaning up the kitchen. It was very messy in here, and the floor was very messy as well, so there was going to be a lot of cleaning to do in here, and I tried to have Kyle help me tidy off the table a little bit. As I'm doing my cleaning in the morning, I try to have him help me as much as possible. So the dishwasher was almost all the way full of dirty dishes, and I should have started it the night before, but I forgot, so I had to try to fit all of these dishes that were in the counter into the dishwasher even though it was already almost full. Now it's time to wash this pile of dishes by the sink. I'm going to be using Miss Meyer's dish soap in the mint scent from Grove Collaborative, and right now with my link down below you can get this adorable little scrubber set, this little dish scrubber with the wooden handle, and how cute is this little porcelain dish that it sits in. And then you will also get Miss Meyer's hand soap, Miss Meyer's dish soap, Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray, a Grove walnut scrubber sponges, free shipping, and a VIP trial. So everything that you saw in that clip there you will get for free with my link down below, with a minimum purchase of $20 or more. I hate when I get such a big pile of dirty pans and stuff that I have to wash. It just makes for so many dishes to have to wash at the same time. If I would just wash something as soon as I'm done using it, then it wouldn't stack up so bad. Let me know down below if you are like that, if you let dishes stack up in the sink, or do you just wash them right away? I need to start getting into the habit of washing them right away. Some days I do really good with that, and then some days I just let them stack up till the end of the day or something, which is not a good habit. Now I'm going to get some oil diffusing in my oil diffuser, and I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about Simply Earth essential oils. I have got so many oils from them collected in this wooden box, and I love it. So when you sign up for a Simply Earth subscription, you will get a Simply Earth box in the mail each month. It will have a bunch of recipe cards. This is what is in the April box, and then we also get 4 essential oils, and then whatever extra items that you're going to need to make those recipe cards. I'm excited about the April box because all of the recipes are for like natural cleaning products and things that you can use around your home. And if you click my link down below and then use my code HAPPYHOMEFREE, when you subscribe to Simply Earth for the first time, you will receive a free big bonus box, a free essential oil recipe box, and a $20 gift card to use for future purchases. So such an amazing deal. Definitely go click that link and then use my coupon code to get all of those free items. So after putting that sleepy essential oil from Simply Earth in this oil diffuser, I put Owen down for his nap in his room. Just seems like he naps better when I diffuse this sleepy essential oil. I don't know if it's all in my head, but it just seems like that way to me. And then I headed out to the kitchen to finish cleaning it up because I paused my cleaning in the kitchen so that I could go back and clean the boys' bedroom because Owen needed to go down for a nap and Kyle wanted to go play outside. So now that that room is clean, Kyle's outside playing and Owen's taking a nap, I'm going to continue cleaning in the kitchen, and I wanted to give this stove a good cleaning, so I wiped down the outside of it with that Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray, and then I used my Cerama Bright stovetop cleaning kit to clean the top of the stove. I also have this linked in my Amazon store. This is literally the best cleaning kit for a glass top stove. My mom got me started on it, and it's just the best thing ever. You can use this little scraper to get any of the stuff that's just like stuck onto the stove top. It'll come right off with that, and this cleaner is amazing. So if you want to try it, head over to my Amazon storefront and buy it from over there. And if you do order something through my Amazon storefront link, then I do get a little percentage from Amazon. They pay me a little percentage of that if you purchase something through my link. And even if you click on my Amazon storefront link and you don't buy something from my storefront, but you head to the main Amazon page to buy something totally different, as long as you click on my link, I will still get a little percentage back from that. So if you're wanting to support me and you're going to be buying something from Amazon anyway, you can just click on my storefront link and then just head on to the main Amazon page to buy your item, and I will still get a little percentage. Having that Amazon storefront link and having affiliate links, sponsorships, all of that is how I'm able to continue doing this channel, how I'm able to work from home with my kids. Next, I was working on getting the living room area cleaned up, and I had this pile of laundry here along the wall that I had to fold and get that put away. And then once everything was tidied up, I vacuumed the floor with my cordless vacuum, and I still get questions about the cordless vacuum, even though I mentioned before where I've gotten it from. So I will just mention it again. The cordless vacuum is from Amazon, and that is linked in my Amazon storefront, and I really love the vacuum. It works amazing. After I was done vacuuming the carpet and the wood floor, then I got out my O-Cedar spray mop and spray mopped all of the wood floor, and I have this spray mop listed in my Amazon storefront as well. Basically, if it's an item that I have in my house or that I use and I can find it on Amazon, I will link it in my Amazon storefront. The last area to clean in the house was the hall bathroom, so I got that picked up. Then I got the countertops and the toilet wiped down. Okay, so now all of the cleaning and laundry is done. The whole house is clean. It feels so good to have the whole house clean and to be caught up on all of that laundry. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. I hope that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration and that you were able to clean along with me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button down below, and make sure that you click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications to get notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you want to follow along on more of my everyday life, you can follow me on my Instagram at Hannah's Happy Home, and I will see you guys in a few days with a new video. Bye!